Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Vosi. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I'm studying at Jenderal Soedirman University, Purwokerto. It's the beginning of Ramadan month, so I wish everyone a happy Ramadan.
Tahu and Pisang, Indonesian food reviews by international students.
Yang pertama, kita akan coba ini, coba dari, we try from this one. In Indonesia, they call it tahu. They call it tahu, or in English, it calls like tofu. So, let's taste it. Let's taste it. And by the way, I also would like to mention that tahu can be cooked with a different way by the different chef. So it's a type of tahu which usually you can consume it if you are in Indonesia or in Malaysia or in Singapore, because this food khas makanan Indonesia, Malaysia dan Singapore. So as we see here, now I make it a bit closer to you. You see this tahu, and in the top there is a green chili, or we call it in Indonesian language
cabai rawit.
we call it in Indonesian language cabai rawit.
Yeah.
So let's try it. How is it?
What's inside?
There is a cabbage, there is a carrot, and some other seasonings, I think. So this is the main ingredients, one of the Indonesian fried foods. So let's try this. That's good. I like it. The next one, yang kedua itu namanya
Pisang.
pisang.
Pisang coklat.
Pisang is pisang coklat, or fried banana mixed with the chocolate. So let's try this. Bismillah.
So you can see, guys, there is a banana, or we call it a pisang in Indonesian language, and chocolate.
It's tasty, homemade. As we say in Indonesian language, enak sekali.
Enak
It's
banget
amazing.
juga bisa.
Or enak banget. So guys, enjoy your food. At the end of review of Indonesian fried foods, I would like to say, nikmatnya bersyukur, indahnya bersabar. Selamat berbuka puasa. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.